It has been said that two heads are better than one. So with this in mind, we listened very carefully to your feedback. And what we learned was that in fact, two hands are better than one. So we developed this foot pedal. It's made from high density polyethylene, stainless steel and aluminium. So it's lightweight. It can mount both a corded or cordless drill since it mounts on the actual handle part of the drill. It has a spring-loaded mechanism, which means that it'll always return back to the neutral position or off position when you remove your foot from the pedal. But the best part of all is that since the drill is mounted to the foot pedal and your foot pedal is anchored to the floor underneath your foot like this, the foot pedal itself acts as an anchor to prevent the drill from spinning out of control should for some reason you hit a solid obstruction instantly and the inertia passes through the shaft and back to the drill. Now it's very pressure sensitive, so just a little touch and you can adjust your speed as you like. So yeah, that's our idea for a foot pedal. Get in touch with us if you have any questions, suggestions. Our address is plumber-tools.com, or if you're in the European Union, zua-tools.com, and if you're in the United Kingdoms, plumber-tools.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Ciao.